Today we are going to make Panang Curry Paste from scratch. You can buy the tin or packet of Panang Curry Paste, of course, but often the taste and smell leave something to be desired. You can make it at home. It's quick and easy, and I will show you how. Here are the ingredients for Panang Curry Paste. Start from dry spur chili, dry jinda chili, coriander root, garlic, shallot, coffee lime, lemongrass, galangal, peanuts, coriander seed, cumin, shrimp paste, and water to keep the blender going. Today I'm going to use the mortar and pestle and the mini blender. So I like to grind up my cumin seed and the coriander seed in mortar and pestle to get the aroma or nice smell from the pestle. But you can do the whole thing in the mortar and pestle, or do the whole things in mini blender as well if you prefer. Let's do the roasting. Cumin seed, coriander seed. You cannot do the roasting if you want to, but if you roast it, then you will get a very good smell from cumin seed and coriander seed. If you buy the tin or packet Panang Curry Paste, you can just add these two ingredients, grind it and add in the paste that you get from the chop board to freshen up the paste. It's very easy to grind it when it's hot. Spur chilies give red color for this paste, and the jinda chili give a spiciness. You can soak these two chili first before you do in mortar and pestle, but the downside, it won't last so long in the fridge. You need to use a little bit amount of water to keep the blending going, but don't tempt it to put too much water. For the peanuts, if you buy the roasted one, you don't have to roast it again. If you got the one that haven't roasted yet, you got to roast it first before you do Panang Curry Paste. And yes, you can doing this in the mini blender if you want to. This is the consistency of the paste. Shrimp paste, spices, then powder to mix.